Disclaimer alert! So I just edited up this video y'all are about to watch. I went hard on these young men. Now I just want to say this is all fun and games. I love these dudes to death. They're very, very nice individual people. These kids killing it. But they're about to get their asses torn up. Keep watching. Also, notification squad, where you at? Back in action. We back in the action, boys. Now, man, oh man, do we have a banger today. Y'all told me not to make this video. Y'all said it. Name brand. For the love of God, don't do it. It'll fucking destroy you. Actually, nobody says shit, which is why we're making this video. Today, we go after the two youngest hype beasts on YouTube, or at least the most notable. Today, we make history, motherfucker. Y'all are going down, dude. Now, I know these boys in person, and I haven't hit either of them up asking if I can make this video, which means we might wreck some friendships today. Now, y'all gotta ask me a question if I care or not. You really think I care about two hype beast pussy losers that like clothing more than I do? Well, yes, I do, which means we're not gonna get too harsh in this video. However, I'm here for my viewers. I love y'all more than them. Which means I take that back. We getting harsh as a motherfucker today, boys. We going Mandingo in this bitch. If y'all don't know who Mandingo is, search it up and have a big, pleasant black surprise. Boys, welcome to another video. Honestly, probably one of your favorites on the channel right now. Why is my fucking camera crooked? God damn! It's lit. You know it's lit when your camera is sideways for some reason. I don't know what that meant. Today's another video. Whose merch is shittier between Giancarlo, aka Blazendary, and BSNEAK, aka Blake Linder? Now, I paired these two together for a reason, man. These two are the youngest, most killing it hype beasts on the internet right now. Just when we ain't forgetting about you, bro, but you're in the middle of this Eiffel Tower. You know what I'm saying? Sex position. Anyway, for this video, the strategy behind it is we take two big names, aka the biggest hype beast power couple on YouTube, Blaze and Blake. So gay. And we put them against each other in the power of the best merch. One, I put their names in my videos, gaining me more views. Two, I get to get savage. But of course y'all know the name brand fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats. If y'all enjoyed this series, leave a comment down below who we should pick on next. Also with a big thumbs up. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again to another video. And bruh, I'm name brand if you didn't know. I'm trying to catch up to these motherfuckers that are bigger than me. What do I gotta do, bro? Do I gotta fuck some Supreme or what? Cause I'll do it, I swear to God. Alright, so y'all know how the series goes. I pretty much explained it. We got a merch piece from Blazendary. We got a merch place from BSNEAK. We're gonna unbox them one by one. We're gonna rate them. We're gonna see what one's cooler, what one's shittier, what one's a bigger scam, and we're gonna roast the motherfucker at the end. Actually, we're just gonna roast them all through the video. So at the end, I guess the loser, off with your fucking head, bro. I'm not actually gonna cut their head off, but I'm just gonna say off with your head, which just makes me sound super powerful. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's get into it. Alright. The first person we have up, I just ordered the package, just got it in the mail. We got Blazendary, bro. Giancarlo Birch. His real name's Perch, so I'm putting a B on it to screw up his name. That's a roast. And it comes in a purple package. We got one question at hand, name right on the mother dick. You about to open up that purple package, puss. Hold my hands, you fucking morons. Ah! Alright, boys. Woo! Alright. I forgot what one I got. Now I remember. He matches the bag with his fucking gear, bro. That's sick. That's a point right there. So first off, right off the bat, I think I paid like $50 after shipping for this piece. It's a crew neck, and that's a lot of money, man. Bro, it's a very expensive price, you know what I'm saying? So mark down from there, dude. Trying to scam me and shit. Oh, we got a note. And it says name brand on it. Bro, you really think you can buy me? It says, live, love, name brand. Really appreciate that, buddy. Minus points, ain't buying the judge, bitch. Alright, so we got a little shout out here. Oh, and $100. Sick. Alright, Blazendary wins. Video over. Just kidding, there's no money in it. Alright, so I'm actually stoked for this. I picked my favorite piece off the website. He's come out with some dope shit. He's come out with some nope shit. He's come out with some shit that I'd take a shit on while eating shit. Bars maybe. And here we have it, boys. Blah, first thing we got from Blazendary. We got the purple crew neck right here. Now I picked this one. I'm gonna give him points. I really like this color. I think it'll look really good on me. I meant to go, bitches, it's Gildan! You got Gildan too. Bruh, you making a lot of money, dude. The least you can do is maybe some American Apparel. You know what I mean? Gildan's just like, Gildan's low tier. You're high up here, buddy. Gildan's down here. You know what I'm saying? So if you're gonna act like you're all hot shit, get some American Apparel. But hey, we ain't gonna judge too much. We got a large. He actually did ship me the right size, which is dope. That's very simple. It says Blazendary. Now let's No, let's just go over this logo real quick. I don't know if he's ever said what his name means in videos, but I feel like wearing this, I'm gonna be some 420 loser faggot douche. That's like Blazendary, bro. That's fucking Blazendary. Where's my bong? This will be better. Oh yeah, man, this fucking Blazendary. Which I don't know if that's a win or a loss, but that's what I feel about this name on the front of my shirt. Would I wear this if I didn't know the dude? Fuck no. It's a fucking weird name. My bong has name brand on it, by the way, which is kind of sick. Demonetized. Shit. Pretty plain though. You got the little slash through it, which is weird. I don't know why you did that. You could have just had the full font, but I guess it just looks cooler to you or whatever. You fucking weirdo. Just really plain. There's not too much to nitpick. Okay. Bruh, I didn't even know this came with it. Y'all know that he just came out with a new tattoo, or didn't come out with one. He has a new tattoo, which are 3 crosses on his wrist. Y'all now gotta rock that with him, because he put 3 crosses on this bitch wrist. Hey man, I just got a dope new tattoo, and y'all about to have it too. Plow! On your fucking hoodie that you purchased for $50. You fucking animal. Super cheesy in my mind. However, if I didn't know that he had these tattoos, I would think this is very dope. Good branding though, buddy. But yeah, that's literally it. Honestly, very plain hoodie. There's nothing at the back. I'm paying $50 for this bitch. It better come with a fucking $100 gift card. You know what I mean? Here's your money back and more for a shitty piece of merch. Anyway, Giancarlo, I'm gonna give this piece right here a good 5 out of 10. Because you used Gildan, you poor bitch, who is actually a rich bitch. So I don't know who you're trying to play here. We all know you got money, dog. And just your name in general. I was trying not to be too hard on you, buddy, but it's just the name that fucked this all up. Once again, much love to these bros. You know what I'm saying? They're both very, very kind individuals. They just have stupid names, that's all. Anyway, Blazendary, you got a 5 out of 10. Go fuck yourself. So that gets Giancarlo out of the way. You guys vote how it was down below. What would you give it? Would you say 5 out of 10 is too good or too mean? Y'all let me know. Next up, we got Blake Linder, bruh. I actually didn't purchase this one online. I went to his website online. He didn't have anything to sell except for a pair of fucking pants that he didn't make. Hey, let me make a merch website and sell my jizz-stained pants. Bro, what the fuck? That joke actually has meaning because I'm pretty sure they had paint splotches on them that looked like jizz. So there's levels to this shit. You know what I mean? Anyway, so I did hit up Ray Ray. I know he's got a plethora of people's merch shirts that he's kept over time that they've given him. I didn't want to see this shirt. I wanted it to be a surprise, more for better effect on the video. He packed it in a box for me. There it is. I have not looked at it. All I know is it's a shirt, because he said so, is black. I don't know what logo's on it. But BSNEAK, you're next, bud. Alright boys, it's like Christmas from your retarded grandmother who gives you the shittiest gifts. Sorry bud. Alright, so we got this shirt right here. I'm gonna let y'all look at it first. I'm assuming it's the back rust is blank. There's a front, maybe. Okay. What the fuck? I never even knew he put out this shit. Let me first start off by saying, do we call you Blake Linder or BSNEAK? And where the fuck did BSNEAK come from? I know your name's Blake, so that's where the B is, but it just sounds stupid. But hey, who am I to judge? My name's only name brand, which is so much cooler. So we got BSNEAK right here in the Thrasher font. I'm assuming it's supposed to be. Bro, this looks like a Hot Wheels font. Hey kids, I know y'all are 12 years old and haven't jacked off yet, so this could pertain to you. Bro, at least we know what his audience is. So we got BSNEAK with fucking flames. Oh, I don't want to roast you too bad, buddy, but it's so easy. Let's first start off the make of the shirt. He's got no tag. He cut it off. You weaselly little cock. Now, whenever somebody cuts off a tag, I only assume that it's the worst make ever. However, this shirt, if I had to guess, it feels kind of like American Apparel. So there's actual points there. You didn't use Gildan, but you're still a bitch. No, I'm just kidding. I want to go easy on you, buddy, but this is so stupid. This is so bad. BSNEAK, first off, I don't want to wear BSNEAK on my shirt. Honestly, just put sneak. Still retarded. A little less retarded than with the B. We got just an awful contrast of colors here. We have an orange and a yellow. Cool. Fire. Flamey. Still gay. Bruh, y'all see it, man. It just looks like some Hot Wheels Thrasher knockoff. More like Rasher. Because this shit's gonna give me rashes when I'm talking to the girls, sweating like a motherfucker, because I got no confidence wearing this shit. I look like a weasel beaver kicking bitch. But hey, we digress. BSNEAK, it's still, I'll tell you, it's a nice feeling shirt. You just wouldn't wear it, ever. But yeah, man, that's what I have to say about this. Y'all can see it. BSNEAK. Honestly, it doesn't look horrible. Kind of cool. If I want to wear something like this though, I might just go and buy Thrasher, but hey, maybe you guys like BSNEAK more than Thrasher. Let's get real. No, you don't. You guys rate this down below. This is gonna be a hard one to rate because it's a very comfy shirt. It's very nice. It looks stupid. It's a very nice shirt. I'd probably, if I was gonna wear it, scratch the living fuck off of this. BSNEAK, I'm gonna rate this one right here. Oh shit, this is hard. What would it, oh shit, I would rate this a 5 too. However, I would, fuck, maybe I was too hard on this one. I would definitely wear this way before wearing this. However, I picked this one online and it was my favorite one because I didn't know what I was getting here. We gotta rate that. If we rated this a 5, I gotta stick with my rating. Even though I might give it higher ratings now, we gotta give BSNEAK a 4. Maybe even 3.5. It's hideous. It's really hideous. Y'all let me know if I'm being too mean. Blazendary takes the cake from name brand. Of course that means so much, bruh. I hope, actually, you know what? We're gonna break this. We're gonna break this and see who follows me on Instagram. Whoever follows me on Instagram wins this match. And if none of them follow me on Instagram, off with both of your heads. Let's go for LINDER first. Okay, no follow. Which really sucks, because I know he followed me at one point, which is really shitty. Wow, I hate you now. Well, let's go to Blazendary. I don't think this dude ever followed me, of me knowing. John Carl Perch, let's go, 182 people. Out of 182 people, you couldn't toss me a follow? Well, fuck me. Off with both your heads. You both y'all lose. No respect from the name brand fam anymore. I appreciate y'all for watching once again. No hard feelings to my bros. We'll put out some entertaining videos, give absolute, honest reviews on this clothing. And I'll let you guys know that my merch is going to be on sale soon. It's better than anyone's merch we've ever showed. It's probably going to resell really fast and sell out really quick. So if you guys want to get it, I'll have links down below soon. Appreciate y'all for watching. Name brand fam, once again, is stronger than everyone's on the internet. And let me know down below who we should roast, / maybe they'll have good shit for once. I'm talking about merch. Tell me who we should pair together next time. I do Logan Paul, but I think everyone who's putting Logan Paul in the title is getting demonetized, which wouldn't be a difference. Anyway, appreciate y'all, and give a thumbs up down below. I love this series. Oh, stir up. Appreciate y'all once again, though. Wow. Are we at 10 minutes? God damn, I don't know. You know what we're gonna do? I got a suitcase full of merch shirts that I'm looking at right here. 2 of them, because they did not sell well. And I will give 2 merch shirts out today. You know what? We're gonna do that every series of these. I've stopped giving out merch shirts because I was spending a lot on shipping. If you guys want to win a merch shirt and you made it this far, leave a thumbs up down below. Follow my Instagram right here and tell me who won this match. And tell me who we should put up next. Appreciate y'all once again. This was a long video. Blow.